All right? So on question number 7, what they're trying to do is determine how are these angles related to each other. So we need to determine, are they interior or exterior? But ladies and gentlemen, when we're determining interior and exterior angles, we only determine interior as interior between 2 lines, right? And here we have 3 lines. So you could say, well, interior means between these 2. Interior could mean between these 2. But, you know, it's a little bit more difficult, a little more vague when we start talking about 3 lines. So what I like to do on a problem like this, where we have multiple lines, because we know we have multiple lines and we have 2 transversals. Remember, the transversal is when you have lines that are being intersected by these lines. So you have 2 transversals. But only one transversal is actually creating our angles, right? And which transversal is creating our angle? The left one, right? So do we actually need this right one, or can we just kind of like cover it up and forget about it? We just kind of erase it. I know you guys can't erase yours, but you guys can just kind of think of it as not being a part of your problem. Then that transversal is intersecting 3 lines. However, Amani, only 2 of those lines do we really care about. So the middle line, do you guys see how this middle line, even though, yeah, it's being intersected by a transversal, is that creating any of our angles? No. So guess what? I'm just going to kind of forget about it. All right? Now you guys can see I have these 2 lines. Here's what I'm concerned about. These 2 lines being intersected by my transversal. So therefore, I can say here's my interior angles. Here would be exterior, and here would be exterior. So these 2 angles, do they lie in the interior of my 2 lines or the exterior? Interior. And are they on the same side, or are they on alternating sides of the transversal? That's the transversal. So they're on alternating sides. So if they're on alternating sides of the transversal and they're both interior, we call them alternate interior. Very good. There you go. Yes, I did number 7. Yes.